In this video, I'll show you how to create this travel agency landing page using Elementor absolutely free. Yes, we'll be creating this awesome landing page absolutely free. So without further ado, let's get started in the video. Alright, so before moving forward to the video, I wanna tell you that about domain and hosting. So here is the A2 hosting and we will be creating this website on WordPress. So we need this domain hosting. You can as well also use this WordPress, Wix and everything. Every website has to be the domain and or live 24/7 on the hosting. So what is now domain and hosting? Domain is actually basically for the domain name like youtube.com, facebook.com. So YouTube, Facebook, then linkedin.com, so LinkedIn. So these are the domain names, and after that the .com, .in, .co, .org, anything you can imagine, that is the extensions. So first you have to purchase your domain name, then you have to purchase hosting. So what is now hosting? So you have to live your website 24/7, because anyone and anytime can access your website anytime. So that's why you have to upload your website on a server, cloud server. The server is running for 24/7. Anyone can access it anywhere. So you have to purchase hosting, that's why. So first we have this A2 hosting here. This is the fastest hosting, you can buy it, and I will also provide the offer discount link on the description. You can buy it from here. This is the best option. So here if you click on the link, you will get to this website that is to hosting, and you can also click on this get started button, and also you can scroll down and you will get this offer, that is WordPress hosting. This is the most popular plan, and this is the best saving plan, also you can say it money saving plan, because in these plans you will get unlimited features of this plan, and you can see this only $10 per month. So if I click on this view plan, and then if I just click on this get started now button, you will see this is the plans you can buy. Like this is jump plan, this is a feature plan, because in this plan you will get the all features that for your requirement as a medium size website. Like this is a travel website, so you need you can also buy it from 5 website and 256 GB NVMe SSD storage, and then 4 GB RAM. So for some medium websites like travel website and any other websites, this plan is best for you, so you can buy it from there. And if I click on this get jump, this is the jump plan. So you redirect to the another page. Here you have to put the domain name, as I said that youtube.com, facebook.com, like YouTube, Facebook, there are the domain names. So you have to purchase your domain name. Like if I put just a dummy domain name like your domain names, I intentionally put the s here after that, so to just get this available. So if I just write here .com, this is the other extension, so you have to write here. If you click on this use this domain name, this will check your this domain name that it is available or not. Yes, it is available, and it is showing that this is jump line managed WordPress web hosting, and these are the all features. You can pause this video and see how this things works. And this is the 36 months 3-year plan, so you can also decrease this from 12 months plan. Actually the 36-year plans saving your money, that's $69.99, and this is the 12-month plan is $19.99 per month, so approx $20. Yes, and you will get this plan right here. And after this form filling everything, you will can buy this plan. I am don't want to buy it, that's why I don't know to show. I just cannot show you how you can buy it. You will get lots of tutorial about how to buy hosting from A2 hosting. I just told you that A2 hosting is the best fastest hosting. You can buy it from our description box. This is a discount link, so that's why you can buy it from here. So now go to this our WordPress plan WordPress, and then start the website. Yes, so here your WordPress dashboard, and after I'm just refreshing this page and go to the dashboard again. Here is your website dashboard. If your WordPress dashboard is not clean like here, so you can click on this screen options drop down menu, and then these are the all check links you will see on your WordPress. If you have not clean here, so you have to uncheck all these things to look clean. I need like more minimal, that's why I did like this. You can also keep all these things, that's no problem here. Then we have our this WordPress dashboard. These are the WordPress interface. Here you will get this Astra theme, and then post and media and pages. So what is theme now? Theme is basically like the website feel and look, how your website looks like on the text, buttons and everything. So this the theme basically works. Here I am installing this Astra theme. You can also use it. This is the best theme, and in this website I just we don't need any extra theme or anything. This website is absolutely free. You can use any theme, any plugin. We will be creating using Elementor. That's the main thing, that we will use the page builder. This is the Elementor page builder we will be using. So I'll show you that how to install plugin. So let me click on this plugin, hover over on plugins, and you will get this install plugin. So as you can see here, this is the Elementor. I'm using this free version, and I'm using the starter template, so to show you the website in the real time. So how to install this Elementor? So click on this add new button, you will redirect to the plugins page, then search here Elementor. Here in the search bar you have to write here Elementor. We will get this Elementor free version plugin here. So this is active showing because I have already installed and activated. For yourself you will be seeing like this install now button. You have to click on install now, then it will showing activate, then click on activate and it will be activated right here. So there's the plugin page, right? Then we have our tools page. Here we will get the all tools. Like if you install WP reset tool, you will get right here after hovering the tools. And then settings, here you have to do the main settings here. So let's as first go to this hover over settings and see that how the things works. This is the general setting. You can also change then everything here, and here you will be go like this. This is the reading section. You have to select a static page, and then this is the home page. If you have to select home, then click on save change. After creating home page, you have to select home. This is the main thing you have to do, must important thing here. And then this is the permalink. If you click on this permalink, and here you have to must select this post name. Yes, you can default also, you can select this plain or anything numeric day name, you will see like this, but we have to select must check this post name, right? Then click on this save changes. Now your WordPress dashboard is ready to go with the simple some basic settings, right? So now let's create a page, that how the things works, and we'll be creating this landing page now. So if I hover over on pages and click on all pages, you can see only home page is here. So if I click on this view, then you will be see like this page. We will be creating this page from scratch. So let's see how we can create this. So at first I'm selecting I'm just adding a new page this by clicking on this add new button, and here if I just write here landing and then click on publish, let's see, this is the view page button. So if I click on this, you will be see like this. Okay, now go to this edit page, or else you can on the back you can also click on the edit with Elementor button. You will see that this is the blue color edit with Elementor. If you click on this, you will redirect to the Elementor page. This is the Elementor page builder. Yes, so this header and footer is coming from the Astra theme. You can also remove this, or you can also keep this. So let's say if we are landing page, we are creating a landing page, that's why I'm selecting this Elementor canvas because we want this clean. Also you can also keep this, like here if you see these are the buttons, everything. So let's say if you want to keep this, so let's keep it this default, and let's update it here. Yes, now our footer is also ready and the header is also ready. So you may think that how can I create that. So let's suppose if I click on this settings icon, let me create an canvas, Elementor canvas, then update it. Now we have to, like, you want to add the headings, right? So you can also do this heading from the menu. So let's say we have to go to the WordPress dashboard and then go forward on appearance. you will get this menus option. So click on this menus, and here we have our menu. Like if you can also change everything. So if I click on this primary menu, you can also change the primary menu from the Elementor dashboard. Here you will see, if I search for menu, you will see this menu options. Actually this is pro version, that's why it is showing, but you can also use this menu. Next we have our this menu settings. So how you can add your own menu. So like if I add one dummy menu here. So let's say you want to add a service. Here we go, this is the service, and here if you click on this add to menu, you will create this menu option, right? Like there, if I create this, like if you want to add a home, so you can also do this, and if you drag and drop it like here, you will see this is the way you can change the menu reorders. Like that, if you after changing all everything, you can click on save menu, it will save your menus like this. So let's say if I click on this refresh page, you will not see any menu because I already disabled this menu from the customizer. This is the customize. Actually this is the theme customizer. You can also change everything from here. So let's see, if I click on this, open a new tab, and here you will get this Astra customizer, theme customizer. So if I click on this, hover on this, you will see this logo and everything. So if you want to add a new menu, so you can add this from here. If I click on this plus icon, if I click on plus on primary menu, you can see as we just create this home and landing and everything, it is, that's why coming. So I don't know how to use it because it's a landing page, so I am happy with this only logo and this button, right? Okay, now let's create a page, that's this landing page. For the first, we have to create this home page, banner page. So how you can create this? Before starting the on the home page, you can also see, as you can see here on the left side, there's a text. It is actually logo. We need a logo, but it is actually a text. So how you can make our free logo, I'm gonna show you. So I will provide a link on the description, that's a free logo maker. You can see logo MAKR, actually this E is missing. So let's see it. Left it, you can see here, this is a simply minimalist website, that logomaker.com, and I will provide the link of this website from the description. You can also click on there and you will go to the refer to this interface. Just you have to hover on this start my design and click on this, right? You just have to wait a few seconds. Here we go, our create design is now creating. So for the first time you will not see any pop-up. I already used this, that's why it is showing. So let's say if I click on this search bar and search for mountain. So as we just creating a travel website, so let's say you want to create a travel logo. So if I click on this any item, like this item, I like it. Okay, now drag and drop it like here, and click on this add text, and if you want to add this logo like outdoor adventure, so let's say if I just write here adventure, here is your adventure. Okay, click on this, and then you will get to this Poppins font bold. I already selected Poppins font, so that's why it is showing. So you can also click on this font family, and you will see, you can also select this Poppins font here. Also you can change the font, this fonts here. So let's say if you want to keep this font, and we have to decrease our logo here. Sorry, this is the icon, so we have to decrease our icon here, and here you will get this logo. So it is in white version, we need also white. So click on this icon. Let's see if you want to keep in white, let's say keep in white here. Also I'm keeping it. You may think that how is the, where is the logo is vanished, but if you select it, drag and drop it here, you can see the logo and the text is now selecting. So to save the logo, how you can upload your logo on your website. So you can see this right top corner, this save logo icon. If I click on this, if you have to select wait a few seconds, you will get these options that this website is recommending to pay and then download in HD, but we need only free version. So click on this download low resolution file and you have to click on accept, and here you have to put your email. Like if I have put a email here, and if I click on send file to email, so you have to wait for a few seconds. So here you go, our email is came, and now you can see here this is the email title logo maker free download file, and here you will get this download free file here link. If I click on download free file, automatically it will be downloaded, right? So go to our website, and here we will put our logo. So how you can edit that? So click on this customize, then we have to wait for a few seconds, let's say. So if you hover over on the logo, you can see the logo is now selected. Now if you want to change the logo, so change image, then the downloaded file, here you have to drag and drop here download file, click on choose image, and here you go, our new website logo is now coming. So that's how you can so simply use it on your website. You can also customize with this logo height and width. So let's see, if I want to write here 200, so you can also keep it, but I don't want to use this, I want to use this 150. And now it's looking good, so you can change it like here. Let's see, click on publish and go to the website. Now looks cool, right? This is the website logo, is looking so cool. Now this is the buttons, how you can create these buttons. So let me show you. If I click on this plus icon, let's say if I click on this plus structure, and here is the button here, if I just place and drag and drop here, you will see create this button, but actually this is coming from the Astra theme. So how you can create this from scratch? So if I click on this and go to the style tab, here you will see this is the text color. The text color is now this black. You can also change it from white like this. You can change it from here, this is a white and black, hover on it, and this is the background color. Here is the background color. You can change from here, like you want to use this green, like this green color. Okay, this is the green color, you can also change it from here. So that's how you can customize the buttons. Now we have to create this home page. How you can create this home page, right? So you have to select one container. So to use this container, first we have to activate the container. This is actually flexbox container, so you have to activate it. So how you can activate it? Go to your WordPress dashboard here. If you hover over on this Elementor, you will see the settings. So click on the settings here, go to the features, and after scrolling down a little bit, you will see this flexbox container. I already activated it, so that's why it is showing. So at first you will see like this default option for yourself. You have to click on this and click on activate, then save changes. Now you can use your flexbox container as we just changes to something a little bit. So I am refreshing this page again. Now here we go, our Elementor canvas is now ready to start the template. So you may think that I just open a little bit this website. So this is actually pixels.com, and this is the best and free copyright free website to get all the images as you can see here on this website. So this is actually came from the theme, so I did not change it. But if you want your customized travel website, so you have to put your own images, but for the first time you don't want to put your images, or you don't have any images, right, for the first time. So how you can create this all this, how you can get this all images? So here is the website, that pixels.com. if you search here their travel, so you will see like this 1,62,000 photos and videos and everything here. So you can use it from any picture, any, click on here, just click on it. Let's say if I click on this picture, you can also use this. If you directly click on free download, it will get a high resolution file. This may happen that your website may be slow after some time. So you have to click on this drop down and select this medium, then click on this downloaded selected size, and after some few seconds you can see this is downloaded. So that's how you can get this all free copyright free footage files from this pixels.com website. So for this website I don't want to change anything, I already just customize everything, so that's why I'm using this stock themes footage, images. So let's say go with that, click on this plus icon, and I'm selecting the new structure, that is this container. Then select this container, minimum height I'm selecting this VH and 100 VH, let's say. Click on this plus icon again and placing one container here. Then we have to select this container, this parent container, and let's say justify content, I'm selecting center. Okay, now click on this plus icon. Before that we have to select our size, so click on this column, and width I am giving this to this much width, 815 width, let's say. So now put our image here, so click on this container, go to the style tab, this background, and select the image. So here is your image here, so let's say this image, like this image, select it, and here display size will be cover and attachment will be fixed. Now if you see that this is where I'm scrolling, so this is image is fixed, so we have to fix our image, attachment will be fixed, and position will be center and center, and image will be full like this. Then you have to add an overlay because the text is now white. So how can we just view this text? It will be vanished, overlaid. That's why you have to need an put an overlay. So click on this background overlay under the styles tabs, edit this container, click on this container and go to the style tab. Here you just put your background. Now after closing this, collapse this, you will get this background overlay. Click on this and here you will get this overlay. So let's say I'm selecting this black overlay, and from increase this to 1.70, right, this. Okay, now we have to put our text like this text. So in this elements bar, actually this is Elementor, so bar, so we called it elements bar. Now put our heading here like this, and I'm copying this heading from here, so let's say paste it here, and now it is looking in dark. So at first giving it to center, go to the style tab, the text color make it to white, and on the typography everything is fine, just we have to put our this size, so let's say 22 pixel, and everything is now fine. We have to just click and transform and select capitalize. Now it's looking good. Okay, now click on this update button. Don't forget to click on this update button after doing any changes, right? Next we have our this divider. How you can create this colorful divider? So click on this Rubik's icon, and here you will get this on the left side elements bar divider. Drag and drop it here like this, and you have to select a width. So let's say I'm selecting this 10% width and giving it to like element center. You may think that it is not showing, actually this is in black divider. You will get this after just few seconds. So let's say weight, I'm giving it to this 2.5. now it's looking good. Now this is the gap, I'm not selecting any gap, I'm not doing, do not to give any gap. Let's see if you want to just say 0, so it will be on the 0. And color, I'm selecting this global accent color, this theme color already selected, and if I close this, now you can see the divide is now coming. Alright, next we have our this big bold text. How you can create this? Click on this Rubik's icon, and then this is the heading, so drag and drop like this here, and here we have to put our heading. So let's say copy it, paste it over there, and here will go, but it is not showing. So let's say if I click on this alignment center, style tab, white, make it, and typography, from here we have to put our size. So let's say if I want to keep this on 50, yes, now it is looking good. Now we have to increase our font weight. So let's say if I just click on this font weight, and let's say 700 bold and 900, it is looking same, so no changes here. If I click on this update button, it is now showing absolutely amazing. We have to put our this learn more button. How you can create this? I already show you how you can create this. So let's simple as that button here, place it here. So I already show you how you can create this, so that's why I don't want to show you here. So just I'm changing here, learn more. You can see this exact button here, this is also showing here. Okay, now we have our completed on the home page. So let's see on the preview how we just use this. So how do we use the preview? Before just update button on the left side, you can see this preview changes eye icon. Click on this, you will get this preview. How we just get this like this. Okay, now let's move on the next section, that is this upcoming event section. Before that, this is the some quote section. So let's make it at first. How you can create this? Click on this plus icon, and here you will get this structure. Also you can create this and duplicate this, so I'm going with that. And then this is the gap between like this two sections. So this is called one section, this is another section. So let's make the gap with the padding and margin. So click on this container, go to the advanced tab, and here you will get this padding and margin. So let's say if I click on this, unlink this margin, top will be 50 and bottom will be 50. Okay, now it's looking good. Click on this plus icon, place an image here. In the image section you will get this image, quotation image. Okay, now let's click on the style tab, and here you will get this like this. And if I click on this Rubik's cube icon, look at the layout and click on center here, also alignment to center. Now this copy text. Okay, click on this plus icon again, over on the text here. Actually this is the text around center. So how you can create this? We can also duplicate this like here, and if I click on delete here, and if you hover over on it, you will see like this size icon. Also you can increase and decrease it. I am also decreasing it here, and here you will get this. Okay, like that you can also do this. Also you can keep the padding. So let's go to this this called writer name. So place the text editor here, and here we have to put the writer name, and you have to put like in the center. So let's say keep on the center. Advance, this is the marginal padding, I am giving it to 0. Okay, and here it will be get like this. Now our this section is now completed. Next we move on to this section, this title and this divider. So click on this plus icon, this select this section, and then click on this container, go to the margining padding. Top I am giving it 50 and bottom 50. So I already made this text, so I don't want to create this. Just copied it from here and paste it over there. So you have to change our text color. Go to the style tab, and here you will get this text color, this black type text color, and don't forget to change the text. So let's say this text, here our content, and then you have to decrease our size, this font size. So let's say keep it to 40. Okay, keep it to 40. Next we have our divider. I already made the divider. So let's say copy it and right click on there and paste it there. You can see this divider is now came. Now these are the image section, how you can create this image boxes. Let's see how you can create it. Next we have our container. We have to place our container here, drag and drop your container and place it over there. So let's say place it over there, and if I click on this duplicate, you will see like this. So how you can create this? Click on this column and then select horizontal, click on this and select it, go to the layout and select horizontal. You will see like this. So how you can fix that? You can also, you may think that this is broken, so how you can fix that? We can also select this another container. Before this container, let's say delete this and select this container and place another container here, and here you have to duplicate it. Now select this parent container and select this row. If you click on this column, you can see this column also fixing. In the column way you can view this, but in the row you can use this. Okay, now let's place one image here to create this image boxes. Here the image and then text. So place one by one like this. Sorry, extremely sorry, how you can eat the, and then place here. Then this is the typography, so they had the text editor here, and then button, so place the button here. Okay, now scroll up this, place the button here. So everything is now on the left side, as you can see here. If I click on the left side, so if I click on this column and then click on this alignment center, you will be see not, it's not working because I already used this, that's why. So let's say one by one, we have to select an alignment center. Here is your this, and you can see this icon, how you can add this. This is the button, simple button. How you can add this? You can click on this icon library. If you hover on this, you can click this icon library, then search for arrow. So here you will get this long arrow. Click on inside. You can use this any button here, or actually I am using this stock theme footage. How you can create this, that's why I'm showing you. So you can see this on the after text, it is showing. So how you can create this icon position, click on this and select after. In icon spacing, let's say 10 spacing, or you can increase it to 15 like that. So let's keep it as it is, and then we have to change our image. You can see this properly that after this image, in the back end, in the back, there is a little bit shadow type, this frame. How you can create this? So let's say suppose select an image like this image, and you can see this difference, image difference. This is actually basically for CSS folders. So click on this advanced tab, click on the style tab, and here you will get the CSS folder, and here you can see this saturation. You can also decrease it, as you can see here, this is decreasing. Okay, now as you can see here, this the corners are now not rounded. So let's say border is, click on this and let's say 7, and here you will get this corner rounded border. Then box shadow, if you click on this box shadow, and you have to set the horizontal and vertical. So let's say 10 and vertical from 10. Now you can create this smooth, this border box shadow. So we have to fix it to this, this is called brush effect. So we can blur, decrease this blur and create this like this. And if you want that this color, so I use this HTML color picker. You can Google it, how you can create the install this HTML quick color picker. You can also use this. So to put the color, click on the color and then select this hexa, this hexa code, paste it here over there. You can create this cool, this over effect frame, image frame like that. Next, our this text. So this is only simple thing. I'll already show you how you can change the text with the one click. Go to the style tab and simply just type here. I'm selecting this 20 pixel, right, 20 pixel, and yes, how you can create this. Click on this update button, and here I'm duplicating this and deleting this again. Okay, now our image box is now ready. Okay, now let's move on this section. Actually this section is similar looking like this, right? So how you can create this? At first we have to click the plus icon, then we have to select this structure. Yes, we have to select this structure. Click on this container and let's say minimum height, I'm selecting this like 50 VH, let's say, and I think we have to increase it to 80, let's say 70. Yes, 70 pixel, sorry, 70 viewport height. Now we have to put our background image. So click on this container and then we have to go to the style tab. Here on the background type we have to put our image. So how can we find that image? I think this is the image. Yes, right, this is the image. So we have to at first fix it. At first we have to put on background overlay to see overview all these things. So we have to put on background overlay here. Click on the background overlay, background type. Here I have to put the color black. Now opacity will be like 0.7 like this. So now you can properly view this effect. Also you can change the view mode. like this, the blend mode. If you click on this on overlay, you'll be see like this, and multiply. You can play around with this everything. Blend mode here, I don't want to change it anything. So let's see, if I click on this 60 0.6, it is looking good. Let's say click on this plus icon. Here we have to you can see the, if I scroll down and up, the image is also moving around the page, but it is in the demo website, it is not showing here, it is in fixed position. So I already showed you before how you can create this. So this is the position we have to select. This center attachment will be fixed, and now repeat will be no repeat, display size will be cover. Now as you can see here, if I scroll up and scroll down, this image is not moving anywhere. Okay, now let's just select this plus icon, and here is our text and divide and everything. I already show you how you can create that. So let's suppose if I show you again how can you create that. This is the text, and here you go our divider. So I'm copying this divider again from here, copy and then paste it over there, this paste, and then again this is the dummy text. So click on the Rubik's cube icon and then text editor here. So let's place it here. Actually this is coming from up here. Yes, now it's looking good. Go to the style icon. This is how you can create it. Then button. So I already show you how to create this button. Paste it like there. Yes, now left position on the this, how you can centerize this. That's the interesting part. That's why I show you this dummy text, how you can centerize this. Everything is, it is left, but how you have to centerize it. Click on this column, then you have to click on center. You will see this is content, all content is automatically on center. If you click on update, you will see like this. Okay, if I just close this bar, you can see the text is not showing, so we have to fix it. Click on the style icon, then this is showing in white. So this is how you can create this section. Now next moving on this section, this is the last section, our landing page section, image gallery called, you can say it. So how can you create this? Let's find out. So click on this plus icon, and then we have to select two column. As you can see here, this is the one column, this is one column. Actually this is the image gallery taking two columns, and this content is taking one column, so we have to put three column. So I'm selecting this 4 column structure and deleting one of them. Yes, now it is on it is not center. So click on this content first and select it on center. It is now being center. So let's say we have to put our height here, and the minimum height I'm giving it to 100 VH. I think this is too much long. Okay, now let's say 50. Yes, I think it is 50 is fine. Or later we will be increase and decrease it. For now let's keep it to 80 VH. Yes, and for these sections we have to put our size, width. So I'm selecting this 30 pixels width, and also I'm selecting 30, and here I'm giving it to 30. And between these columns we have to maintain our gap also. So between these columns we have to maintain a gap, and gap I'm giving column to 30. Yes, sorry, unbind this padding here, sorry, link here, and from the row I'm giving 0 and column I'm giving 30. Yes, now it is looking good. Now we have to put out these contents. So I already made this. Here is your content here, that's why I'm copying it from here and paste it over there. And I think this is not working. Okay, sorry, we have to put a poster container here, column here, that's why it is showing. So I'm just selecting this everything, doing it first. So here is your text, so the heading here, and then this divider. So here is a divider, and then this dummy text, here is your text here. So let's say this text, and then button. So simply add this button here. So now we have to centralize this of everything. Also we can keep it at first, so let's say keep it as it is. And now we have to place this image. How you can create this is so simple. Click on this plus icon, place an image here, and place another image here. Also you can duplicate it. Right click on it, duplicate it. You can see this duplicate. Okay, now select this image, and let's say if you want to select this image, yes, and now go to this style tab, and here with the border radius, so I'm giving 7 pixel border radius, also giving it weight, yes. Click on the another image and then select this image here, and we have to set a height. Click on the style tab, and let's say height I'm giving it to like this, 200 pixel. All right, now you can see this image is squeezed. So how you can fix that? Go to this content, and here you will be select this image size. So go to the style tab, and object fit you will be select cover. So click on this, you will be select this cover. Now go to this plus icon again, and you can also change the borders from here. Let's say 8 pixel borders, yes. Now if I click on this plus icon and image here, now select one of image. Oh, this is the image, I think. Let's say this image, yes. Now select this. How you can fix that the image is also aligned with this two image? How you can create this? Okay, let's say go to the style tab, and here you have to set the height. So increase the height as much this image gallery is not completed here after taking two images. So let's say go to this borders and 7 pixel, and now you can see this again, this also image is squeezed. So this object fit you can see it, and drop down select cover, you can see this perfectly smoothly in covered. So this is how you can create this section. Also you can maintain the gap. Click on this icon, icon, go to the advanced tab and unbind this margin. Top will be 50 pixel, bottom will be 50 pixel. Yes, now it's looking good. So how you can create this footer also, I'm gonna show you how to create this footer. Click on this plus icon. This is so simple. Just place the text editor here and copy the text, and you have to put the text here, and go to the style tab, select center, click on this container, and go to the style tab, and background color I'm giving this background color, and selecting this, select the white background. And also in the how can we center, click on this container, sorry, layout, click on center, and here we will be on center, but I think this is not in center on the vertical. So how you can create this? Okay, now this is the row horizontal, that's why it is showing, yes. So we have to put one container here, that then it will show up. So let's say put on container here, and image the put on container here like this. So this is how you can create this footer also. If I click on this update button, and let's see on the preview how we made this landing page. Okay, this is our landing page. If you can put that logo also. I don't want to put this all logo and everything, because I want to keep and clean it minimal. So that's why I keep this only text and buttons here. So I just simply scroll down here, you can see this cool code text effect, and then scroll down again, you can see this upcoming events with this divider and then this image frame. I don't change the images, I did not change it. So you can change it from as per requirements. If I scroll down here, you can see this cool fixed image effect with this text and buttons. Then if I scroll down again, you can see this is the image gallery, and here is our footer. So this is how you can create this awesome looking travel website landing page, only Elementor free version. Yes, only Elementor free version. And if you want to use this smooth scroll effect, so let's say go to this Elementor dashboard and settings, hover and plugins. Here if you click on this add new, and in the last video I already show you that how you can add smooth scroll effect on your website. So if you have not watched it, so I will put the link in the description, you can check it out. Here is a mouse wheel smooth scroll. Click on this install now button. In the one single click, you will get the smooth scroll effect on your WordPress website. So let's first wait for the installation, and after installing I will be showing you. I'll also show you how you can create this. Okay, now the install is complete. Here is an activate button showing. Click on this activate. Now if I hover on this settings, you can see this smooth scroll. Also you can go from here. Also you can click on the settings and you can view from here. You can play around with this, but I do not to change anything. I just install it, and if I click on this landing, just reloading this page, and if I scroll down, you can see this smooth coming scroll effect like this. Okay, now if you want to add more animation, so how you can do that? So I think animations made our website so cool. So how you can add that? Click on this text, go to the advanced tab. Here you will get the motion effect. Click on this, and here if you select like fading down, you can use this, and if you click on the fading up, you can also use this. Also it is looking cool, right? Click on this divider, go to the advanced tab. In every elements you can do this effect. So as we just scrolling up, so that's why I am selecting this motion effect in fading up, so it is looking cool. Click on this and then motion effect and select fading up. Let's say this effect, how you can create this. This is the quotation effect. So if I click on this mark, quotation mark icon, go to the motion effect. Also you can select this fading up, and here we have to go to the advanced tab and also selecting fading up. Yes, now it's looking good. Also on the writer name, how you can miss this? Yes, fading up. Yes, now for this section, actually these are the text. Okay, let's say I'm selecting it first in the first tab, and here we are completed. Yes, now for this section I want to keep it as from left and right. How you can create this? Click on this column, go to the advanced tab. Now this from here motion effect, I want to select it from the fading left. Yes, fading left, and from this column, for this column go to the advanced tab. I want to keep it on the fading right. Yes, now if I click on this update button, and let's see how you can do this. Yes, now you can see just after refreshing this page, the school motion effect is coming. If I scroll down, you can see this is also working, and this left right also working. So this is how you can add the smooth scroll effect with motion effects animation, and you can modify your simple website to the next level. Yes, so here's how you can create this modern looking travel agency website landing page using Elementor free version. So if this video is helpful for you, hit the like button, subscribe this channel, press the bell icon for the first notification. And if you want us to make your website professionally, we are a team of developers. We will help you to make your website professionally. You can contact us through our description. I will put our contact link, so you can contact. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you on the next video.